and welcome back to Chuck's Corner, where I share real stories from CNC manufacturing. This one's about something simple, an air hose, and how fast it can turn into chaos. We had a guy doing a routine cleanup around the mill, just blowing chips off the table, nothing unusual, but the hose he grabbed had a tiny split right near the fitting. At 100 psi, that tiny split turned into a full-on whip. The hose kicked out of his hand, snapped around the machine like a live wire, and smacked into a stack of finished parts waiting for inspection. A couple got dinged up, and everyone in the shop jumped like a gun went off. Luckily, no one was hurt, but it could have been a lot worse. Lesson learned, don't ignore the small stuff. A worn out hose, cracked fitting, or loose clamp can cause just as much downtime as a broken tool. Shop safety isn't just about guarding the spindle, it's about respecting every piece of equipment around it. Ever had a shop surprise from something as simple as an airline or an extension cord? Share it in the comments. You're not alone. Thanks for stopping by Chuck's Corner. Stay safe, stay sharp, and own the process.